Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Lavish Bath Box. Now you guys know that this is my favorite box. I don't know how much it costs though. It'll be on the screen. And it is hair washing day. Well, actually the day before hair washing day, so it's just pinned up. And then this is a shirt that has SpongeBob, and it's like a breaking glass, and he's got like an evil thing over here, and he's got like vampire fangs here, and then he's, well, then boobs down here. Anyway. So let's see, I got it at Hot Topic. Anyway, let's get into Lavish. It is one of my favorite boxes, so I'm excited. I haven't sat down to record in a while. I have a few boxes today. I should probably pay attention to my emails a little bit better. Kinder Beauty, I guess, shut down their warehouse. I found out today. I don't know how long it's been shut down, but I do plan on checking to see if they charged me this month and disputing it and all that. I don't think that they did though. I don't recall. Anyway, let's get into Lavish. So I open it up and this is what I see, and this is March, or it should be March, yep, March 2020. And then on the back it does tell you what's in here, but everything is handmade for this box, so there are not any prices. You guys can pause on those coupon codes if you are interested in anything you see today. Let's get into it. Kind of looks like an Easter basket. That's cute. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is Glitz Soap Company Ultimate Moisturizing Butter Bar in Tea Berry. So that's cool. It's a Lavish exclusive. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, and it smells really, really good. It smells like berries. Totally keeping. The next thing I am pulling out is this. Oh crap, I hate it when they come like this. So it has a little hole in it right there. I'm just gonna have to put it back in the box so it doesn't make a mess everywhere. It does smell really good though. But there's no tag on it. So let me see if I can figure out what this is. Okay, so there are, two bath bombs in here. And this one has a tag on it that says Lemon Rose Water Botanical Bath Bomb. And it smells good. It actually is not very strong at all as far as the rose is concerned. So I have to assume that this one is the Tub Tea Bath Bomb. And it says, the perfect treat, this foaming bath bomb is scented with an uplifting blend of lemon zest. Yep, that's what that is. Okay. Eucalyptus and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so those are the two bath bombs. The next thing is a bubble bar, and it's shaped like a little teacup. That smells really good too. Let's see, afternoon tea bubble bar. White tea, apricot kernels, nutmeg, and ginger. I can definitely smell the apricot. Not so much the nutmeg or ginger, but it smells really good. And then the next thing I am pulling out is a whipped sugar scrub, garden attire required, and it looks like this. Let's see, what did I say it was? A whipped sugar scrub. I have so many of these that I need to use them. Oh, that is so delightful. And it has also a little travel soap on top here. That's really cute. It's shaped like a little hat. That smells so delicious, you guys. What does that smell like though? It's really very like push pop smelling. Does that make sense? Like a push pop? Okay. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is a Tub Tea Detox Soak. And it looks like this. It's on a cute little package, and it says soak away impurities while you de-stress in this fierce botanical infusion to reduce bloat and inflammation. That's cool. I have all kinds of inflammation all over my whole body, so that's cool. All right, you guys, so that was Lavish. Again, I absolutely love this box. It is one of my favorites. I would 100%, I know it's kind of expensive, but I would 100% suggest this box. Out of all the bath boxes that I've tried, this is the one that I've stuck with. This is my favorite. It by far has my favorite scents in it. You know, I mean, sometimes it can be hit or miss, you know, like for the Valentine's Day box or the February box, it was a little more floral than I like, but like it wasn't horrible, you know. I mean, one bad box out of 12 in a year, that's not horrible. So that is that. I will let you guys go, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was nice spending a little bit of time with you guys today, and I got a couple more boxes, so I'm gonna keep on going. Have a great day. Bye.